Hello guys, this is Atanu and you are watching Atanu Energy Fitness. So today's topic is protein, the most important factor when it comes to food, health and life. Also to bodybuilders it adds additional values by strengthening their muscles and growing their muscles. Now let's see to normal human beings how it helps. The main factor is it helps to boost our immunity level, especially when conditions like this, when we badly need to boost up our immunity to fight with cold, coughs and fevers. Also it reduces our fat levels in the body by not allowing us to go for unnecessary food items, especially in the night. So now let's say the amount of protein we all should look for to have. Usually I suggest for normal human beings to start with 1 gram of protein per body kg weight. So let's say somebody is having 60 kilo of body weight, they can start having with 60 gram of protein a day till 60 gram of protein into 2 means 120 gram of protein. To bodybuilders I suggest to start with 1 gram of protein per body pound of weight. So let's say a person having 130 pound of weight, he can have 260 pounds of protein, 260 grams of protein starting with 130 grams of protein. So in that range from 130 gram to 260 gram their protein intake can vary. So there are exceptions also if somebody is going for contest, fitness contest or bodybuilding contest. So based on the trainer's advice they can have more amount of protein. Now the timings. Timings are very important, as in when we should all have protein. The most important timings is immediately after workout, because what happens is whenever we finish workouts our muscles gets broken into fibers, and then with help of protein which gets broken into amino acids immediately helps to repair those broken muscles. Another important time is before going to sleep, because we minimum go to bed for 6 to 8 hours and our stomach gets like empty at that time. So if we have enough protein before going to sleep, our body or health remains intact. Now let's say how we can have enough amount of protein. The food items, mainly we have protein with the help of food items like poultry based foods like eggs, chicken and some plant based foods like broccoli, or let's say some fat items like peanut butter which are healthy, also some fruits. But do we have enough amount? Like can we suffice our 130 grams of protein a day? May not be. So in that case supplements comes into picture, like whey protein and all those supplements, which is really helpful and very easy to take and very safe also. So that's it guys. With help of supplements like whey protein we can easily sufficient our protein intake. That's it guys. Today's topic is all about protein. For more topics of like any doubts regarding protein intake, please don't forget to put your comments in the comment box below. Also if you are watching these videos for the first time, don't forget to subscribe this channel for future updates or workout related topics or diet related topics. Thanks guys. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy.